Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Well, today we have another DIY project, and for this project you need empty glass bottles, you need spray paint, a printed picture, scissors or a cutter, newspapers that you have to place down, or a plastic paper, and then let's get started. So first things first, you have to go ahead and cut that image carefully, of course. I did use a chopping board, nothing to be ashamed of. And now it's time to spray paint the bottle. Yes, I did forget to remove the round thing on the top, but I did remove it eventually. You have to shake your spray paint at least for 30 seconds. It does come with instructions, so that I think will be easier. We are going with a white color for the start. Yep, I love that, so let's just follow along. Enjoy the video. For this part, I don't advise you to use a knife because God knows I nearly cut myself, so use something that is really less dangerous than a knife. This was a dumb idea. Just don't do it. So we're off to the second bottle, and oops, oh my god, I forgot that I had to use black, but I'm here correcting my mistakes. Yeah, I was supposed to use black, but I ended up using white, so it's going to depend on the colors you want to use. Anyway, let's just follow along and enjoy the video. So you have to wait for the bottles to dry 100%, and I mean 100%, because if they don't, it's not going to come out the way you want it. It's going to be sticky and messy. Anyways, get the picture that you already cut, put some glue and stick it to the bottle. Yeah.
In the dark, broken and scarred, you were there for me. Gave you my heart, it was a part. You were the one I needed. Love like this is really hard to find. Guess I met you at the right time. Found in the dark, broken and scarred, you were there for me. Gave you my heart, it was a part. You were the one I needed. Love like this is really hard to find. Guess I met you at the right time. Gave you my heart, broken to pieces, you fixed it again.
Well, that'll be it for the video. I love how these bottles turned out. I genuinely do. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on the notifications bell so that you can be notified anytime I post a new video. Give this video a thumbs up, a big fat thumbs up if you liked it. And if you do try this DIY out, please tag me. I would love to see how yours turned out. Mwah! Love you. Bye. Adios.